How to turn on or turn off private sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on folder. After click on folder, click on video. After click on video, click on this share icon and click on quick share. After click on quick share, click on this three dot icon and you will see if you want to turn on private sharing, so click on turn on private sharing. You will see private sharing is turned on. You will see. If you want to turn off private sharing, click on this three dot icon and click on turn off private sharing. You will see private sharing is turned off. You will turn on or turn off private sharing from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off private sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.